Alright, this is question number 2, and here we are asked to find the value of x. That is this x here. So what we are going to do, we have to change this to be in this form. That is the powers of 3. Here we are going to have 3 raised power 2 times 2x minus 1 times 3 raised power 2x all over. Here will be 3 raised power 3 times x minus 1 equals to 1. So this times this is going to give us 3 raised power 4x minus 2 times 3 raised power 2x all over 3 raised power this times this 3x minus 3. Alright, in indices, we are going to add these two together because we are multiplying them. So we are going to have 4x minus 2 plus 2x all over 3x minus 3 equals to 1. This plus this is 6x minus 2 all over 3 raised power 3x minus 3 equals to 1. Here we will subtract this from this because we are dividing it. Alright, according to law of indices. So we're going to have 6x minus 2 minus 3x minus 3 equals to 1. 6x minus 2 minus 3x, this will now change to plus 3 equals to 1. So this minus this is going to give us, this minus this is 3x minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 equals to 1. And again, you know that this one is the same thing as 3 raised to power 0. Because any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So we are writing this one to be 3 raised to power 0. So we are picking this up one, 3x plus 1 equals to 0. 3x equals to minus 1 divided by 3. X equals to minus 1 over 3. So this is the value of our x. And the correct answer is option B. Option B. So let's move into the next question.